Okay, this is a 2015
15.
Chevy Silverado. What happened is they broke the window and they stole everything inside, so he gave us a call. He didn't want to add another alarm. He wanted everything incorporated to the factory alarm because all he wanted to do is carry this fob around. So we end up installing the shock sensor add-on kit to this factory alarm system. So in essence, everything is incorporated with the factory alarm, so if anybody walks up and they try to bust out the window puncher, there's the pin that has the spring inside with the point that you just go up to the window and it goes and it busts the whole window. That will pick up the sound and it'll fire off the alarm. So I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that. I'm going to hit it with the key. I'll start the countdown. And the factory alarm will fire off. Shut it off, you just hit unlock the same way you been doing before when you own the vehicle. There's nothing changes, everything stays factory. This is a great deal for these type of trucks. You're probably asking yourself the question, hey, I bought a truck, I paid $40,000 or whatever you pay for it, or 20 or 30, whatever you pay for, and why, if it has a factory alarm, how come it doesn't have any type of impact sensor or anything? It's because the factory do not want to be responsible for any false triggers. So they do not install any type of impact sensor. So the only way it works is if the doors are open. Unfortunately, everybody knows about that. They're not going to open your doors. They'll shatter your window and reach in and grab you and take your airbags or whatever they need to steal inside the vehicle without opening any other doors. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service.